Hi, little yogis. Welcome back to Joyful Moves. Today, we're going to have fun with exciting football yoga poses. Stretch your body, improve your balance, and play like a soccer star. Grab your yoga mat, take a deep breath, and let's get started. Stand tall like a strong mountain. Keep your feet together, arms by your sides, and take a deep breath. Stand proud, stay still, and smile. Great job, little yogis. Let's become a strong, tall tree. Stand on one foot and place your other foot on your leg. Bring your hands together or reach them up to the sky like branches. Take a deep breath and hold your balance. You're doing amazing! Keep standing tall just like a beautiful tree. Great job, little yogis! Let's become graceful dancers. Stand on one foot and gently hold your other foot behind you. Stretch your free arm forward and smile. Keep your balance and take a slow, deep breath. You're doing an amazing job. Stand tall, stay steady, and shine like a beautiful dancing star. Fantastic work, little yogis! Let's be strong little warriors. Step your feet wide, bend your front knee, and stretch your arms out. Look over your front hand, take a deep breath, and hold your pose. Great job! Let's become brave little warriors. Step one foot forward and stretch your other foot back. Raise both arms high toward the sky. Keep your chest tall and take a deep breath. Feel strong, confident, and steady. You're doing an amazing job. Keep smiling, little warriors. Fantastic work. Let's try pigeon pose. Bend one leg in front and stretch the other behind. Sit up tall, take a deep breath, and relax. You're doing amazing. Great job, little yogis. Let's make a big bow. Lie on your tummy, hold your ankles, and gently lift your chest. Take a deep breath, smile, and hold your pose. Awesome job, little champs! Let's become a friendly cobra. Lie on your tummy and gently lift your chest. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Take a deep breath and smile. Great job, little superheroes! Let's be super strong! Hold your body nice and straight like a wooden plank. Keep your tummy tight. Take a deep breath and smile. You're doing great, little gym stars. Let's be a happy puppy. Place your hands and feet on the floor. Then lift your hips high. Take a deep breath, stretch your body, and smile. Great job, little yogis! gentle camel. Kneel on the mat with your knees hip-width apart. Place your hands on your lower back or gently reach for your heels. Lift your chest toward the sky and take a slow, deep breath. Hold your pose, keep smiling, and feel tall and strong. Fantastic job! On an invisible chair. Stand with your feet together, bend your knees, and reach your arms up high. Keep your back nice and straight. Take a slow, deep breath and hold your balance. You're doing an amazing job. Stay strong, keep smiling, and enjoy your chair pose. Fantastic work, little yogis. Like a bright star. Stand with your feet wide apart and stretch your arms out to the sides. Reach your fingers and toes as far as you can. Take a slow, deep breath and hold your star shape. You're sparkling with confidence. Keep smiling and shining bright. Fantastic job, little yogis. Let's sit like a peaceful flower. Cross your legs comfortably and rest your hands on your knees. Sit up nice and tall. Close your eyes if you'd like and take a slow, deep breath. Feel calm, happy, and relaxed. Awesome job, little yogis. You did an amazing job today. Stretching, keep smiling, and keep having fun every day. Ask a grown-up to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more fun yoga adventures. See you next time. Bye-bye.